What's the meaning of banter? Banter. Banter.
Banter. Banter. Banter refers to a good-natured and playful conversation or exchange of jokes and teasing remarks between two or more people. It often involves humorous comments or sarcastic quips that are meant to amuse rather than offend. Banter can be light-hearted and enjoyable, helping to build rapport between individuals and create a relaxed and social atmosphere. However, it is important to be mindful of the tone and context in which banter is used, as it can sometimes cross the line into bullying or harassment. Ultimately, banter is a form of social interaction that relies on a shared sense of humor and mutual respect.